Hello everyone, welcome back to my channel. So I got a request from one of my sweet subscribers to do a homemade pizza recipe. So here it is. The ingredients for pizza dough is very simple. You'll need 1.5 cup of all-purpose flour or maida, 1 teaspoon of baking powder and 1/4 teaspoon of salt. For the pizza sauce, I'll be first boiling 2 tomatoes. First, let's start mixing the pizza dough. And I'm gonna first mix the dry ingredients, that is the all-purpose flour, salt and baking powder. I'm gonna knead the dough using some hot water. You can always use active yeast instead of baking powder. That too will turn out just good. One important thing to remember while making a pizza dough is you have to knead the dough for 10 minutes at least, because that is going to help us give the elasticity to roll out the pizza dough. You can use a little bit of dry flour or 2-3 drops of oil to help with the stickiness of the dough. Once I've rolled out the dough, I'm going to transfer it into a small bowl, cover it with cling film and let this rest for at least 2 hours. So the tomatoes are boiled and I'm going to grind them into a smooth paste. For the sauce, I'm going to chop up some green chilies and 2-3 garlic pods. Next, heat a pan and add in some olive oil. To this, add in the chopped garlic and let that cook for around 5 to 10 seconds. To this, add in the chopped green chilies. To this, add in the grinded tomato paste. To this, add in the Italian seasoning. I absolutely love Italian seasoning. I add it to my pasta sauce, pizza sauce, sometimes to sandwich filling. It's just too good. Next, add in some basil. Mix it well and let this cook on a medium high. Next, I'm gonna add in some salt and sugar to taste. Mix it well and let the sauce cook until it reduces at least to half. So once the sauce is ready, I'm going to remove it in a small bowl. So the dough is well rested for 2 hours and now it's time to roll the pizza dough. On a large baking pan, I've dusted some flour and using a rolling pin, I'm going to slowly roll out the pizza dough. It took me some time to roll out the pizza dough as this was my first time making pizza at home. So don't worry, take your time, enjoy it. Next, I'm gonna generously add in some pizza sauce that we had just prepared. For the pizza topping, I had chopped up some green bell peppers and some onions. You can add in olives or any other vegetables that you like. And to top it off, I'm gonna add in some mozzarella cheese. I'm gonna bake this pizza in a preheated oven at 400 degrees and for about 15 to 20 minutes. So the pizza is ready and I'm going to take it out of the oven. It smelled wonderful from all the Italian seasoning and basil, and it tasted yummy. I didn't know making pizza was so much fun and easy. Let me know in the comment section guys if you try out this recipe. Thank you guys for watching. Do follow me on Instagram for daily updates. Make sure to hit that subscribe button and the bell icon to watch more such videos. See you in my next. Bye bye.